Okay guys, so here we're doing a little how-to video.
On how
to
hood.
wrap a roof
Yeah.
with Mike Crossman. So he got this Civic, got a great deal on it, and now because Mike can't leave anything normal, he's gonna wrap the roof matte black, gloss black,
The car's gonna be that.
and then he's gonna do a matte blue for the exterior. So he's got the wrap to do the roof. So he's just started, he sprayed a little degreaser on it. He's wiping it down. We're gonna clay bar it and start getting this in.
Coming down the road.
So what are you doing there, Mike?
I'm just heating up because the tape's not sticking. I'm getting mad. Oh, took the track off.
And why is the tape not sticking?
Because the car's wet because we just came out of the rain. And we didn't dry it. Or wash it.
And what about this piece of tape here on the back window? What's that for?
It's going to make it easier to wrap.
How so?
You leave me alone.
No, how is it not gonna make, how is it gonna make it easier to wrap?
The wrap's it's not gonna stick on the window, so it's gonna want to go in the crease.
Perfect. So how soon until we start throwing some wrap down?
With you helping, probably an hour and a half.
Wow. Wow.
Tape's still not sticking.
No?
If you looked at this, look, right here. Right here, we were trying to take this gutter off. Over on that side, I did that side. And look, you guys see anything here? Like, look, here's the gutter. Look, oh look, it's perfect. Perfect, not all beat up, nothing, came right off. Then Mike's side. Let's go back over here and take a look. Oh look, it was perfect right here, perfect. Minus the tape, that's not sticking still. Then perfect, 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 perfect. Kink. What happened here, Mike?
Couldn't tell you. It's feeling strong.
It was like that when you bought it.
Yeah, it came like that.
So,
A factory.
when you're doing a roof, don't feel strong. Just admit defeat or you're gonna get kinks. So it's done. Didn't take too long. It'll really not take too long when we fast forward through all this. So there you go. Silver roof to black roof. Not bad. Mike, anything else you can say to make it easier? Or is that the
Don't
easiest
rap
way?
like me.
Alright, so that's it for the wrapping. I believe Mike has talked about possibly buffing the headlights on the same car to try and make them look clear for next time. So we'll get you another video of how to buff headlights. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.